Hello, I'm Kevin Carlson with Crysalli, and in this video we're going to show a very important step, which is filling the water bath of the chiller system. All right, so before we fill the water bath, the first thing we need to do is we need to connect the drain line. So there's a 3/8 drain line that comes out the back bottom of the chiller system, and we're going to route that to a drain or to a floor sink. What you want to do is you want to consult your local plumbing codes for proper installation. For this particular installation, obviously it's a demo and we don't have a floor sink or a drain here in the room that we're doing these videos. So what we're doing is we're going to install, or we're going to use the condensate pump as our drain line for the overflow, and then we will pump the condensation or the overflow to a remote drain. All right, so now it's time to fill the water bath. So remove the lid from the chiller. And what we're going to do is, in this particular installation, we have the filtration system right next to the chiller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the flush line or the purge line off of the bottom of the chiller to fill the water bath. All right, so we're filling this water bath. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to fill this water bath with RO water or with soft water. In this case, we're just using the filtration, using the filter to fill the water, which is okay. If you want to add a teaspoon of sanitizer or chlorine to the water bath to help keep this sanitized, that's fine. Another thing we want to know, we're going to fill this up to where it's about a 1/4 inch below the top of this white pipe stem, and the complete carbonator tank should be submerged. All right, so the water bath is full. We've added a teaspoon of bleach to it just to help with keeping it sanitary. Some people don't realize this, but this water bath is really, it's not the consumable water. This is just a water bath that recirculates into this tank and through the trunk line up to the tower. So we're recirculating the cold water up to the tower. There's also an evaporator coil that's in this water bath that builds up an ice bank. And we have a recirc pump in here that's agitating the water, keeping it circulating, and then circulating it up to the tower. So circulating that water across the ice bank that's built up on the evaporator is how we chill the system. All right, now that the water bath is full, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the chiller and turn on the power. This will turn on the compressor as well as the agitator / recirc pump that's in the water bath. All right, so we've got it powered up, and as you can hear, the compressor's running and you can see the water's moving, so it's recirculating the water in the water bath. Last thing, we'll just put on the lid and we're ready to move on to the next step.